Today we're diving into the fascinating world of manifesting and how you can use it to potentially win the lottery. If you've ever wondered if the law of attraction can help you hit the jackpot, stick around, because I have some interesting insights to share. So what exactly is manifesting? In simple terms, manifesting is the process of bringing your desires into reality through focused intention, positive thinking, and visualization. It's about aligning your thoughts and emotions with the outcome you want to achieve. Manifesting is often linked to the law of attraction, a philosophy suggesting that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. While some may be skeptical, many swear by its effectiveness. Here are some powerful techniques to help you manifest your lottery win. 1. Visualization. Imagine yourself holding the winning ticket, feeling the excitement, and visualizing how you'll spend your winnings. This technique helps create a vivid mental image of your success. 2. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations like, "I am a lottery winner," or "I attract abundance and prosperity." Repeating these affirmations daily can help reinforce your belief in achieving your goal. 3. Gratitude. Express gratitude for the money you already have and the lottery win you're manifesting. Practicing gratitude can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, attracting more positive experiences. I've come across several stories of people who claim to have won the lottery through manifestation. For instance, Cynthia Stafford won $112 million in the California Mega Millions lottery in 2007. She credits her win to the law of attraction and visualization techniques. She would visualize winning, feel the emotions associated with it, and even sleep with a piece of paper under her pillow with the winning amount written on it. Another example is Shane Missler, who won $451 million in the Florida Mega Millions lottery in 2018. While he didn't specifically attribute his win to manifesting, he did mention a positive mindset and belief in his future success. Here are a few tips to enhance your manifesting practice. Stay consistent with your techniques. Practice visualization, affirmations, and gratitude daily. Keep a positive mindset and avoid negativity. Surround yourself with positive influences and stay focused on your goal. Trust the process and be patient. Manifestation isn't always immediate, but with persistence, you can achieve your desires.